So word on the street says that y'all are Googling, what is a mouth breather face? So I recently wrote a blog about this, and I thought I'd give you a quick answer to that here. If you want to get the whole enchilada, you'll have to visit the website and read the blog. But mouth breather face is this. It's this long face, this vertical jaw angle, where the craniofacial bones did not develop correctly because somebody's mouth was open. They were mouth breathing. When your mouth breathing and your tongue is low, you're going to have a long, narrow face, dental crowding. You're going to have a high, narrow palate, and it just basically warps the 22 bones that make up your cranium puzzle. So that's a little bit about mouth breather face. If you want to learn more about it, why it's bad, the benefits of nasal breathing, all of that jazz, make sure you use the link in the bio to check out the blog.